Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Roblox FPS Unlocker. Basically, Roblox FPS Unlocker is an application that you can download. It's not an application, it's a program that you can download, which basically gives you a bunch of different features that you can do with your FPS while playing Roblox. It's a nice little addition you can have on your PC while playing Roblox, and I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So first of all, you're going to open any browser. In my case, I'm going to open Google Chrome. You can use any browser, just like Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, whatever you want. And then after that, you're going to search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. And after that, you're going to click on the first link, which is a GitHub link. It's always going to appear for you on the top. And then you're going to click on it. After that, you're going to scroll down all the way to assets to make sure you're on the latest version. You're going to find a green box over here. And then you're going to click on source code, and you need to make sure it's on the zip file, okay? Between brackets, zip file. You're going to click on it, and then it's going to start to download. After it downloads, we're going to take it, drag it, and then put it over here on the desktop, and then we don't need the browser anymore. And then you're going to click on an extract here, extract to RBX FPS Unlocker, and then you're going to open this folder, and again the folder inside it, and as you can see, you've got the whole application here downloaded, and you've got Roblox FPS Unlocker. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.